It's Rachel Sheldrick from the Workshop Whisperer. Let me show you why you should be coming to Service Advisor Pro in Brisbane.
Hi, I'm Neil from Killarney Autos and I've come along to the 2-day course in Workshop Whisperer. Highly recommend it, got a lot from it. Going back now to implement a lot of new strategies and things into our business. I look forward to the next week.
Hi, we're Dawn and Eric Jensen from Gentech Auto Services in Mundaring. We just wanted to say, well, I'll say what I've taken away from the Service Advisor Pro course with Rachel today. It's absolutely fantastic and just made me realise how much work we have to do, but I'm so happy, so thank you, Rachel.
G'day, I'm Matt from Nationwide Diesel Services here at the Workshop Whisperers program, the Service Advisor Pro. Awesome day, really insightful, very inspired, motivated to get back to work and put it all into action.
Hi, Bernard here from Nationwide Diesel Services. We're a heavy diesel workshop up in Yarrabell, WA, and from today we've got a lot of clarity on putting things into perspective, and Rachel's given us the tools on how to implement it.
Hi, Chad from Auto Response from WA. Biggest takeaway from today was there's always something to learn, and we need to focus on what we have rather than getting bigger.
Hi, I'm James Mewling from Mewling Marine. The biggest takeaway I got from today's conference was I could fast track the learnings for my new service advisor that I just put on. From a third party, we have worked out exactly what his role looks like, and he has gone away exactly with all the information he's going to need to do his role.
Hi, I'm Khan from Gunning Service Centre in New South Wales. We came to Perth to attend the Service Advisor Pro seminar by Rachel, the Workshop Whisperer. One of the biggest things we've taken away from the weekend is a clear description of what a service advisor is and what the job entails, and what we need to expect from our employees.
How you going, guys? It's Evan from Killarney Autos in Wayne-Garran, Perth in WA. Came along to the Workshop Whisperer course today with Rachel and Amy as well. Basically just to get a better understanding of how we're doing things in business and how other groups are doing it, just to get a better understanding of what we can do to achieve better things within the workplace.
So don't delay. If you want one of the last remaining tickets, we've only got 4 left. Book in now and bring your business up to speed with Service Advisor Pro.